Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to check Google Form responses on mobile. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first method, via a web browser. Open up Google Chrome or Safari or whatever browser. Go to forms.google.com. Alright, again, forms.google.com. If you're asked to log in, just go ahead and log in. So once you're in here, the latest Google form will be opened. All right, so just basically go to responses and you'll be able to see it right here. Now, the other option via the Google Drive app. So find Google Drive, tap on it. Now you can tap on the 3 horizontal lines and tap on recents or uploads. It's up to you. And here we have the Google form. Tap on the form. And it will then go ahead and open up the browser. And then again, just go ahead over to responses. And here you have it. That's how easy it is to check Google Form responses on mobile. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.